Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's another video, not another video, I've shot another video putting purple in my hair, but yeah, it's been a couple of months and it's fading out pretty nicely, I guess, I hope so. And I know there's a disaster down here, but let's not address that. Today I'm gonna try the Garnier 6.60 Intense Red in their Color Naturals, I don't know what, like, what the fuck? It's called Garnier Color Naturals Cream Rich Nourishing Permanent Hair Color with no ammonia. It'll give you silky shiny hair, 100% grey coverage, although I don't have any grey hair. I do have purple and green and blonde, some ash hair. So yeah, and they say it'll lock your color for 8 weeks. Let's hope so. 8 weeks is 2 months. And also
comes with conditioner, which you should be using after your after washing the color. So hair colorants can cause allergic reaction. Yeah, there's no reaction. So it comes with a developer, one colorant, that's the red color, 2 conditioner and a glove set in this, and also comes with a manual. Yeah, these are the gloves. There's 2 packets of conditioner. I never used Garnier, but I hope so this will work well for me. Yeah, how to use?
Step 1, put your gloves on. Step 2, mix equal colorant and developer in a plastic or glass bowl. I've taken my bowl, my coloring bowl, and apply the mixture on your hair with a brush. I don't have a brush, but it's okay. Leave on for 30 minutes. Rinse hair with water, apply conditioner, then wash normally. Then you can air dry or color or like curl your hair or style it however you want.
So they've already given results which you can have according to your color shade. The first one is on the brown hair. And the second one is how the color will look on dark brown hair, and the third is the black. So yes, yeah. So I guess
my hair is pretty dull and all muddy green and purple, so I don't know how this color will work on my hair, but I wanted red for Christmas, so
I don't use any color removal to my hair because that will damage your hair. I guess I didn't try. I don't want to try. So let's see how this one goes. Yeah, the color is this.
first I'm gonna comb my hair.
I didn't style my hair, it's just day 5 curl, I guess, like, yeah. My curls stay for a pretty long time.
Yeah, combing is done. Let's add up the developer and the colorant. They've already given how much you need to put, the measurements, but I'll just put everything because I have pretty dense hair, so I guess it'll take up all the product anyway. Yeah, they said for full head, pour the whole bottle. For extra long hair, but this hair is fine as it is and it takes a lot of product, so I'll just apply the whole. Now the colorant. This doesn't have any color, but let's see.
It's just white.
I've got my brush.
You need to mix the mixture very well. There is little scent, but it's not a lot, so you can manage with that. Make sure there's no lumps. Okay, the color has built up itself into cream orange, I guess. Yeah. So I'll put on gloves and just apply this. Before that, don't forget to apply Vaseline all over your hairline so that the color doesn't stay when you just clean it off after your bath. Also put on a waist shirt that you're gonna throw anyway.
One eternity later.
I guess we are done. Also done with the mixture. As I told you, it took up whole my head. So I'll just knot it up in a bun and then we'll wait for 30 to 40 minutes. I mean on the package it says 30 minutes, but I'm gonna wait 40 minutes I guess. And then wash my hair with the conditioner and I'll be back after I've air dried my hair. I also need to go out, so I'll be back soon.
I mean, not bad. I was done with my shower around an hour ago and I started drying my hair naturally, not using any heat products for now. I used the whole 2 sachets of conditioner and I didn't put any shampoo for now. I'll wash my hair probably after a couple of days. So yeah, I mean, this is the color. Wherever the purple was, it came red, and wherever the green was, it's more of like dark brown.
Yeah, I guess the gradient, yeah, you can call it a gradient effect.
LOL!
I don't mind that.
Looks great. I'll also insert, this is in natural light, like normal tube light, and also natural light coming from the window. I'll get out, take few pictures, take few clips in the sunlight how my hair is looking, and I'll insert them right here. So I hope you guys like the video. I mean, I'm happy that I changed my color. So if you guys want to see anything else, anything related to fashion, hair, makeup, you guys can leave a comment down below. I'm also thinking to make some challenge videos, and I'm gonna also make a Christmas makeup look. So yeah, that's it. I guess I'm gonna stay being a redhead for a few months. I don't know. Let's plan. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in another video. If you like it, please hit the like button, comment down below whatever you wanna suggest me about related to videos, and yeah, do subscribe and hit the bell icon
So that you'll be posted every time you'll be notified every time I post. Okay, that's it. I'm having a sugar rush. Bye.